guys, it's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele, and I'll be using my new ukulele from Enya. This is the Enya Smart Ukulele, and this is almost similar with the Xiaomi Populele U1, which has a Bluetooth capability. So as you can see, umiilaw yung fretboard niya, meaning may enable yung Bluetooth channelin niya. So, ayan. If you wanna purchase this ukulele, then the link is on the description box below. And also, andun yung mga details and price niya. So, huwag na natin patagalin yung intro. Grab your ukulele because today, I'm gonna teach you how to play Wish You Were Gay by Billie Eilish. So, in order to play this song, you need to learn 5 basic chords on the ukulele. So, the first chord that you should learn is the chord of A minor. Ayan. So, you just have to put your index finger here on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Should sound like this. And then the next chord that you should learn is the chord of D7. So you just have to put your index, middle, 4th finger, and then your pinky finger should be placed here on the 1st string, 3rd fret. That is D7. Or you can also bar the entire 2nd fret using your index finger, and then your middle finger should be placed here on the same string. Ayan. So the same lang yung tunog niya. And then the next chord that you should learn is the chord of G. Ayan, so you just have to put your index, middle, 4th finger, and it should look like a V-shaped chord. Ang ingay na aso. And then the next chord that you should learn is the chord of E minor. And it's like a staircase. And index, middle, 4th finger. Ayan, and then the last chord that you should learn is the chord of D. So, almost the same lang siya sa D7, pero walang pinky finger. So, etong tatlo lang talaga. Index, middle, and 4th finger. Ayan. So, again, A minor, D7, G, E minor, and D. So, the next thing that I'll be teaching you guys is the plucking pattern, and it should sound like this. So, magiging ganun yung flow ng ating plucking pattern. So, this is the same sa ginawa ko dun sa cover ko. And by the way, if you haven't seen my cover yet, the link is there, up there. So, ayun. So, the first thing that you have to do is you have to position your chord. And then, yung first chord natin dyan is A minor. Ayan. Tapos, paulit-ulit lang yung chord progression natin dyan. A minor, G, D7, G, and then E minor. Tapos, diba, nakaposition niya, A minor, and then you have to pluck the strings, yung 4th, 3rd, and 2nd using your thumb, and then after that one, you have to pull the strings simultaneously, the 1st string and the 4th string. So, it should sound like this. And then after pulling the 4th and the 2nd string simultaneously, you have to drop your hands. Ganon, parang ganon. Tapos, after the dropping of your hand, you have to pull the strings, the 4th, and the 2nd string. Okay? So, kanina, etong string na to. And then, after that pulling, tapos stop, and then you have to pull the 4th and the 2nd string. Okay? So, A minor. And then, transfer chord, D7. And then do it the same. And then E minor. So you have to repeat that thing in each of the chords. So, ayun. So, balik tayo sa A minor. D7. G. E minor. A minor. D7. G. And then, E minor. Ayan. So, ganun lang yung plucking pattern natin. Okay? So, let's try to sing the first stanza or verse 1. Okay? Baby, I don't feel so good. 6 words you never understood. I'll never let you go. 5 words you never say. I laugh alone like nothing's wrong. 4 days has never felt so long. If 3's a crowd and 2 is us, 1 slipped away. Ayan. So, yun lang yung gagawin natin for the verse 1. So, the same thing with the chorus, yung I just wanna make you feel okay. So, the same thing pa rin yung plucking pattern natin. I just wanna make you feel okay. But all you do is look the other way. I can't tell you how much I wish I didn't wanna stay. I just kinda wish you were gay. Ayan. And then the same thing with the second stanza. Is there a reason we're not through? Is there a 12-step just for you? Our conversations all in blue. 11 haze, 10 fingers steaming out my hair. 9 times you never made it there. I ate alone at 7, you were 6 minutes away. Yay! So, tapos na tayo sa plucking pattern. So, let's move on to the strumming part of this song. So, dito sa strumming na part, magiging ganito yung strumming natin. Ayan, so ulit-ulitin lang natin yun. So, first thing that you have to do is you have to position with the same chord, A minor. So, down, tapos, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down. So, yun yung strumming pattern natin. So, down, chuck, up, tapos, transfer chord, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, up. So, maging ganun siya. Okay? So, ulitin lang natin. So, down, tapos, chuck, up, down. So, by the way, the chucking is like a percussion sound and it should sound like this. Ayan. So, paano mo gagawin yung chucking? Simple lang yan. Okay? Medyo mahirap tong technique na to, pero masasanay ka din. Okay. So, first thing natin dyan, first chord, A minor. So, sa chucking, di ba, down, chuck, up, down, up. So, sa chuck, parang iba-block mo yung strings using your palm or the side of your palm. And then, habang naka-block na siya, you have to, chuck your fingers just like this. So, parang isa-strum nyo siya na naka-block yung kamay mo. So, di ba, pag nagsa-strum ka lang na walang block, may vibrations, kaya tumutunog yung strings. Pero, pag iba-block mo siya, walang tunog. Pero, pag walang tunog, tapos sabayan mo siya ng pag-strum, maging ganito yung tunog niya. And that is what you call chucking. So, balik tayo. Down, chuck, up, tapos lipat sa D7, down, chuck, up, G, chuck, up, down. Tapos dito na part is down, up. So, sa E minor is down, up, and then sa D, down, up, and then balik ka na naman sa A minor, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down. So, magiging ganon siya. Okay? So, let's try to sing the How Am I Supposed to Make You Feel Okay? 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 How am I supposed to make you feel okay? Down, up. When you do is walk the other way. I can't tell you how much I wish I didn't want to stay. I just kinda wish you were gay. To spare my pride. So, same pa rin yung strumming pattern natin dyan. So, to spare my pride. To spare my pride. To give you lack of interest. balik na naman tayo sa Plucking. I just wanna make you feel okay, but all you do is look the other way. I can't tell you how much I wish I didn't wanna stay. I just kinda wish you were gay. I just kinda wish you were gay. I just kinda wish you were gay. So before I'll end this tutorial, make sure to download the PDF file on the description box below kasi maraming nagtatanong kung bakit di ko na nilalagay yung lyrics and chords sa description box. Andyan lang siya, guys. It's a link, so pwede nyo siyang i-download and you can save it onto your mobile phones, tablets, computer, or whatever gadgets you have. So pwede nyo siyang i-download at i-print agad for free. So ayun, maraming salamat po sa panonood and bye! Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here, and if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.